Hi, welcome to the wedding of Samantha and Lance, full of 2025 wedding ideas. The couple chose a grey and yellow colour scheme, perfect for the spring season. The weather allowed for a beautiful outside ceremony, decorated with wisteria trees and a hoop backdrop. This was mirrored in their reception room, with grey chair drapes tied in the angel style finished with a yellow rose. They had table runners to match beneath cherry blossom centrepieces. The tables were also dressed with silver charger plates and grey napkins tied with personalised ribbons as place names. Their cake was 3-tiered and semi-naked, decorated with yellow flowers and had a Mr. and Mrs. cake topper. They incorporated a beautiful white dove release after their ceremony to symbolise their marriage and commitment, and a single dove to remember loved ones. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing for more great ideas. Enjoy!
Makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Dancing with you. Remember Paris in the pouring rain. We kept on dancing, didn't mind the rain. Through the seasons, through the passing years, every moment brought us here. Time is moving like a perfect song. Two hearts beating, can't go wrong. Feel the rhythm of this special day as the music starts to play. Every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes this feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. Oh, from that first slow dance to this precious chance, all the world standing still as our hearts fulfill. Beat of my heart is a dance with you. Every step that we take makes us feeling true. Round and round as the music plays, every beat of my heart is a dance with you. First time I saw you smile across that crowded room, something about your laugh made me feel brand new. Every little moment since then has been leading up to today. Can't believe we're finally here, and I just wanna say I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. Coffee dates at dawn and dancing in the rain. Each day beside you show this love would stay the same. Now we're standing face to face with our future in our hands. Everything just feels so right as the world begins to dance. I do. Been waiting all my life for you. There's nothing else that I would choose. Baby, I do. From this moment on till forever every single day. I'll choose us, I'll choose love. I do, I do, I do. This is a moment, waiting all my life for you. You're all I see, there's nothing else that I would choose.
One, two, three, four.
Every day on my mind and I just can't get you out. I just want you, all of you, all to myself. Yeah, never wanna let this go, boy, we got something real. Might be selfish, but I just don't care, I swear. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, hey, keep giving you all my love. Nothing's ever been so easy, I can't help but say. You got me in my feels, got me feeling some type of way. Hey, take away, take away, take away, yeah, you can take everything. As long as you are with me, it'll be okay. Hey, yeah. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. Keep giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for a love like this. I've been waiting, I've been waiting, I've been waiting for a love like this. I just want you right here, always by my side. You and me together, baby, it's paradise. We can go wherever, ever, leave them all behind. I'm giving you all my, keep giving you all my love. All my love. Keep giving you all my, all my love. Keep giving you.
Thanks so much for watching. We hope you found some ideas from this wedding. If you have any wedding ideas or tips that you'd like to share with couples planning their big day, we'd love to hear them, so drop them in the comments below. And of course, if you like this video, don't forget to leave a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss more wedding inspiration. Thank you and see you in the next one.